The world just got hotter and the tension isn't in Caracas only. It's between Beijing and Washington now. You're watching Times XP. My name is Rithi Atri and Nicolas Maduro, Venezuela's president, has been captured by the US forces. Dragged from his palace, put on a plane and held in New York to face the criminal charges. Well, the US calls it successful operation. But China calls it outright aggression. Well, Beijing's foreign minister Wang Yi, he didn't mince his words. Let me quote what he said. He said that no country has the right to police the world. Release Nicolas Maduro immediately or face the serious consequences. Well, let me translate this for you. The US is being warned in the strongest terms yet. China says that this isn't just about Venezuela, it's about sovereignty, it's about international law and the principle that no nation just can take another leader by force. And the timing, that couldn't be more dramatic, by the way. Maduro captured in high stake, US strike, Caracas in chaos, Latin America shocked and anxious as well. China's warning signals a geopolitical showdown here. Will the US ignore Beijing and hold Maduro anyway? Could this really spark a major US-China confrontation over influence in Latin America? Well, are we looking at the silent war that is brewing over Venezuela's oil and global power? Experts are now saying that this is not just a capture, it is a challenge to the world order. If Washington defies China, well, the consequences could ripple far beyond Venezuela. And in the meantime, in Caracas, well, citizens are protesting. Maduro loyalists, they are very, very angry. Regional leaders are scrambling to respond right now. The stakes? Massive. Venezuela sits on the largest proven oil reserves in the world. Who controls Maduro? Controls energy, controls power, controls the leverage across the Americas. And now China has made it very clear. The US is on notice. Now this isn't diplomacy. This isn't just politics. It is a high-stakes global standoff. Here, every move, every statement, every threat, it is being watched because the next misstep, it can really ignite a conflict the world is not ready for. So, will the US hold Maduro? Will China escalate, or is this the opening chapter of a new global showdown over Venezuela? The world is holding its breath, and Venezuela is once again at the center of a major power battle.